Hey everyone, welcome from China. My name is Lucas and I'm the CEO of CIMK. After graduating from a Chinese university in the summer of 2020, I decided to stay in China and work on my startup idea, which I believe will help any non-Chinese speaking person to get a more accurate picture of the economic and technological development here. Later in the year, I met my two amazing co-founders and we started working on creating a B2C investor platform and an investment community. However, after joining the WHU Accelerator, based on the feedback from various customer groups, we decided to switch our focus and concentrate only on institutional investors. To showcase the enormous information gap between the Chinese market and global investors, we would like to present you the example of a minor scandal that just happened recently. On May 6, the CEO of China's #1 food delivery platform, Meituan, Wang Qing, posted an ancient poem on a Chinese social media platform. This poem was considered as a potential criticism towards the Chinese government by many users, and as a result, it went viral. Out of fear of government sanctions, Meituan's share price plummeted by 9%. But as you can see from the timeline on the screen, it took more than 3 days and the release of a second statement by the CEO until international investors could find news about this on platforms such as Reuters or Bloomberg. Such delayed reporting and a general lack of access to alternative data sources from Chinese social media or investment communities are significant problems for institutional investors. CIMK aims to solve this problem by providing alternative data that is currently unavailable in English and analyzing it to increase transparency. We achieve our goal by collecting and scraping information directly from their original Chinese data source on the web. After that, we use a natural language processing model to structure, analyze, and translate the data. In the end, we offer our unique data and analytical results as a subscription SaaS model. Here you can see the current version of our MVP, showcasing the Chinese business news aggregated from our data sources. Utilizing our local data approach, we can present our users with the latest and best news about Chinese companies. Due to our MVP model, each news automatically gets differentiated under tags like the company, news sentiments, or news categories. If users only want to see news regarding their favorite companies, they can use our watchlist feature here. In the end, we also automatically analyze our news and provide aggregated results and patterns to our customers. For example, here you can see different analytics for Alibaba, such as news sentiment, government relationships, or the breakdown of the news by categories. Currently, we are working with only one data source for our MVP, but we will gradually add more and more unique data from various Chinese information sources to become the primary data source for the Chinese market. Once we have made the Chinese market transparent, we can also imagine transferring this local data approach to other attractive markets in other parts of the world. At present, there's a large group of institutional investors focusing only on the Asian market. As you can see here, there are more than 340 investment funds that focus exclusively on the Chinese market. As part of our B2B funnel, we got in touch with 32 institutional investors, and 3 of them got convinced to work with us together as our pilot project partners. In addition, we are also working together with alternative data platforms such as NeuData to get new leads through their platform. Our positioning in the market is unique, as we're currently focusing only on the Chinese market and non-financial data. Here we collect all our unstructured data ourselves, and those have a unique alternative data basis. We have an incredible, internationally diverse founding team based here in China. Lucian, who is Chinese, just graduated from her master's at the WHU and has a deep understanding of the Chinese market. I've been in China since 2019 and have a strong background in finance and worked for an early stage blockchain startup. Sonali, who comes from India, just finished her PhD in computer science and taught the same at an American university based in China for the last 10 years. We've also managed to build a small team of freelancers and interns that includes Chinese, German, and Russian team members. After the MVP release, we will work together with our pilot customers to add precisely the kinds of data and data analytics that are most valuable for them. We also plan to raise our first angel or pre-seed round to have enough liquidity to release our first customer product in December and build up the sales organization. We invite and welcome you all to work together with us and connect the world in a better way. Thank you.